I be glad when you are dead, you young idiot. I be glad when you are dead, you young idiot. Since I take you from your home, you wouldn't leave me alone. I be glad when you're dead, you young idiot.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are going to head to see Miss Topsy. It has been a while, but please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once you post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's get right into it.
Man, me have in my hand, Nico. See, in my hand, you get it. Yeah.
Hi Jeffrey, good morning.
Yeah, go on with.
Yeah, you know.
You look like you come out in your pajamas, so.
We're looking for you when we pass by, but we never see you.
Yeah.
We say you're going to your farm.
No, I'm not going to farm today.
Oh, okay.
I have a pain in my leg.
Oh, you don't feel well today? Yeah. We are going for Miss Topsy.
Okay.
So
forward.
When we are passed back here, all right.
Night do the pan grass same way. Now sun not reach us till 3 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah. You know, come out enough to dry up the grass yet. Whoa. Watch your step.
I have to watch you slide.
Yeah, because I realize so your step you kind of slide back. Alright guys, so while we're walking, and it don't seem like me run out of breath yet this morning.
Yeah, carry
the camera and a bag on my back.
You're good then.
Don't make it look like.
See, all of my shoes wet up.
Yeah, because place to wait. It's after 10, I think the grass.
Should I wear a water boot?
Yeah. But and it never rained yesterday or anything like that when I expect the place to be like
rain.
This.
It rain, yes?
It rained yesterday? Oh yes, it's true. In the evening. That's why. Whew.
You rest this, sir?
Boy, I can't. You want rest?
I never see me tired.
You don't see your tired? So, and what?
I ask if you want rest.
Oh, I'm good.
Come then, now.
Oh, guys. Alright, what I was about to say, just have to wait. Run out of breath, you know.
Ooh.
Tough.
Tough hill.
You can't get used to this hill at all. Same thing every time.
Yeah. This is smoke.
Oh boy.
Topsy a cook. Miss Topsy not there, no?
Huh?
She's not there.
That's what I was thinking too.
Door lock.
See this, guys? We'll come out. Miss Topsy not here. Wow. So oh wow.
Miss Topsy.
Smoke there. I wonder if she's inside. Oh.
Miss Topsy.
That's strange.
Hey there. And where is you?
Miss Topsy fire.
You can't believe. You lock up.
Oh, because she alone, she lock up.
Good morning.
Hey, Miss Topsy.
How you doing?
Me not too bad.
How you do?
Me not too bad.
We are coming, we are saying you're not there here because the door locked.
Me die here, but throw me one day here.
Yeah.
And me die and me have talk to me God. And I reason with him.
Yes.
Yes, and say, imagine, but like I'm one day in the world.
Oh.
No sound, nobody.
Yes.
Bird in here at trap.
So what happened to you?
You good.
Not much.
We can find out what happened to you.
Me die, I'm asking. Let me die, me die, I think all kind of something.
On. Like what and what so?
I think up say, me want, very want to come up and help.
Yeah.
Me can manage the hill. No
Can't manage the hill.
Again. The hill kind of bother me, you know. And you know something? You don't want to sit down?
We alright. We
And
listen to you.
You know something? The part what me supposed to get, me not get it.
Why?
Through the place and birds pop up out of Albert Town.
Yes.
The post office.
Yes.
So then send it. I know, me no see none of them, but one woman tell me say, then send it a Christiana, a some bank at the other.
Oh.
But she never tell me the name of the bank.
Oh, so you don't know where to go?
So I don't know where to turn.
Maybe we could find out from Troy Post Office if they know where they send it.
They would know, you know.
They would know.
No, they know most.
Yeah, man, they would know.
They did go to them.
You go to them?
Yes.
But they would know which bank it go to when they send it to the bank.
No, gee, then Thomas Topsy can't go a bank now or something.
No, me can't manage the bank business there.
You have to go manage it because you want your money.
Yeah, but if you could help me, then glad. And look here, the post missus send me 2 places. And the 2 places I get. The last time when we send the driver, the driver, the 2 identification paper.
Yes.
The driver go and come back and say no, you see. So me tell him, if you check you for me, and see if you could get through with it for me.
So okay, all right. So we check Troy Post, and maybe she can give us some directive as to where to go.
She did send me up there.
But we still can't talk. Which bank you went to though? Which bank?
Up where?
Which bank?
Albertown, should they go now?
Oh, so you go to Albertown?
Yes.
Oh, but you never. So where the driver went?
He go back to some people up at Warsup.
Okay.
And they never give him it.
Oh.
The man say, see no name like that there.
Okay.
So me feel see a Christian.
Okay, all right. We can check out that for you.
Yes. And I think I say, I wonder if I'm wrong.
Oh, you mean in terms of the money?
Are them wrong for not give your money? Are them wrong for not give?
Yes, but they mean to say,
You're not wrong.
oh, me not wrong.
No?
No, you're right.
God, yes, the fret panny, the fret panny.
You know, me said.
True, me no see you no. Me say, Lord, me God, I wonder what. Or I wonder if a junior now weed up the pass. I saw me a continue.
Oh, because you not see us? Because you not see we come?
Yes.
Oh, no, Miss Topsy, nothing like that, man.
No, say no weed if we not come. I will come now to say I want weed.
Yes. But Miss Topsy, before I forget.
Yes.
Marcella got remind me of the gentleman's name.
I remember his name.
Lord have mercy.
Which
It's
one?
a gentleman, you see, who owns land,
land down there.
right across from Jeffrey, right down there. So, you know him? Him there foreign. Can't remember any name, but
One man have one van.
Me no know. He say the land across from where Jeffrey lives, he owns it.
Oh yeah, me know him.
You know
But-
who?
Yes, but I know here he live.
Yeah, he lives abroad. He called us, and he said that he's giving you permission to live down there, so
Put your
across
house down
to put
there.
your house down there.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
but look here. This man that said that thing. He come from up Manchester.
No, man.
I know that one. But the one where you say in front of Jeffrey there. Me know him, but me don't remember when name.
Right, him know you do. Him say him give you permission to move your house, put it down there, so cause him say it's difficult for you to come up on the hill.
So that live down on it, right down there, son? Or you want to go out at
Me
out so?
prefer go back also.
You want to leave out of the lane, out of this far?
Yes, yes,
You
and,
have to just take up your house, carry go put it down in one place.
the
out.
people them not friendly.
Yeah,
They're not friendly.
yeah.
We don't have much people up here, so maybe at that.
Maybe remember everybody gone, Miss Topsy. It's only Jeffrey down there, so.
Me know, me know. Only Jeffrey and his cousin, one fella, one Rasta. Well, the Rasta they help doing all the while to carry up the there's something there. Some people did come here, so them I go fix up the house.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
But we be glad for it to fix up, but me no glad for stay here. So.
Would them come from government?
Yes, it looks so.
Must say SDC.
Is them make the house, them.
Okay, okay.
Yes. What you call it now? Poor, poor relief.
Food for the poor?
Yes, I think. So in no space at time, them finish the house.
Okay. So them tell you when them a come back?
No, they are going. See them drop the material them there.
Where then they?
Cover up under the zinc.
Oh, them drop some plyboard.
Yes, but a junior carry them up.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, junior carried up. So they say them are going to fix up the
Okay, good, yes.
they say them are going to fix up the hall. And when they fix it up, now if in case they want, if stay or if they want left, is alright.
Okay.
You couldn't ask them if they don't know when all land out there, so. Don't land out a try where you can
No,
could use.
I'll be back, what place name?
Spanish Town.
No, then come from way back, Stetton way.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think 3 men did come and 1 woman. Yes.
Oh, so it's after they came and left, then they send the plyboards.
Yes.
Okay.
They send the plyboards and then them are going to come fix
Come fix
the
it up.
hall. Because me never remember through so much the on my brain. We did have one paper where them sign. Say we mustn't do no work on the house till certain time.
Oh.
You know?
Yes.
So them response for it until a certain amount of years.
Yes.
Okay,
Look,
okay.
So,
Yes.
so them have fix it for me now.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Them go
yeah.
fix it for me if just give me a helping hand.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's good, Miss Topsy.
Yes.
It look like everywhere where them put them out, then
They
go back
know,
and check them. Yeah.
right?
Yes.
And-
Then, all right.
yes, yes.
But do you know something?
No? Never tell me.
You want me to get a chair and you sit down? Let me get a chair, Miss Topsy. Let me see it.
We can't sit down. Put your right eye do over there, so Miss Michelle.
Here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right, come.
Then look here, Miss Michelle.
Yes, Miss Topsy.
Them must have up. Them have fix the flooring.
The flooring.
Yes, the
Yeah.
And
I guess they will just fix everything that needs repairing, not true?
yes, yes. Because the paper what they did give me, one long letter, but Me can't remember what and what did the funny.
Right. So you know how to find it?
No, ma'am.
So she can't.
Oh.
But the man must know.
They know some hurricane blow, everything blow away.
But the paper
They
would.
say blow in a storm.
Right? Oh, well, I'm like, no, we are white this time.
No. Why you say blue?
And the yellow.
So you better change up for me.
Your face not change though.
No, and the price not change.
Yeah.
Mr. Topsy says she afraid when she not see we come because she wonder if she do the wrong thing.
Yeah, well, they've June no cut the road.
No.
Mr. Topsy, we bring you some stuff, you know.
Yes, man.
Whoa! Alright, so we bring you groceries.
Yeah.
We have an anonymous donor who wanted us to get your groceries.
Yeah.
So we bring your groceries, we bring your rice and you look at regular stuff we use, and also you have in there chicken, so you have to remember to take out the chicken.
Yes.
You have to cook it today.
Are you did out here so make fire, Mr. Topsy?
Yeah, man, I made a boil me tea.
Yeah, go and good look at fire still ablaze.
You better we can't make fire like that. We can't make fire like that.
So I don't use.
Gas?
Oh, yeah. Yes, remember me to show you my gas.
Yeah.
Me don't know if you want it, we can't manage the gas stove.
Yeah, go use it. Yeah,
She know.
use it.
She don't want to use
From
it.
Cherry, give me no use it. I'm going that and use it one time. I'm telling him lock it back for June. I go and come in, come cook at night time.
You don't want that.
No. You know what I do? June help me.
Yes.
But it ruined your life a lot because you see all the door around here, so it chop you up. And the house like them, when you left it, you have to left it same as how they give you. You understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright. Alright, so Miss Topsy, like I say, we have an anonymous donor and she wanted us to buy your groceries.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so see we bring your groceries.
Yes.
And also, we have another donor who we met up with. She came to Jamaica.
Yeah.
And she sent some things for you, so we met up with her in Christiana.
Okay.
And she sent a package for you. And your name, the pan it to you, Miss Topsy. It's a
Yeah.
floodlight.
Okay. Oh, a flashlight, but
Yeah.
it's big.
Yes, and it's solar.
Like, but it flood.
Oh, yeah, me know what
Yes.
when me work and watch it, me used to see them.
Yeah.
The big floodlight here.
Okay, have a look at USB.
Fine.
So I guess if you have electricity, you can charge it. Like, yeah. You see the panel here?
You can just take off the plastic. So
the panel here, Miss Topsy. So when you put it out in the sun, make this side turn up so it
Yes.
can charge.
Yes,
Alright?
yes,
Let me see if now. Ting.
But
Oh
me
yeah, see there?
yes.
Is this button up here you press and it turn on and off. See? You try it.
But me no have no card for my phone.
Press the button.
Press this button.
Which way?
Top one. Just press down. See, come on there. Yeah.
Turn off the back with the bottom one.
With the same one.
Oh,
The bottom one must turn on this one. This one, the back one. See that? See there? See that side there. See there.
Oh, yeah.
See it on. You can turn it off. See it off.
With the back button.
oh,
And the front button turn on the
That
front
two times you
light.
have to press it to turn it off. Now, Mr. Topsy.
yes.
One time turn it on. The other, it got dim. And then turn it off.
Alright.
Let me try it
Oh, that
again.
one on, you know, the front one on.
All right.
So
Turn off, you know.
Press the front
turn
one,
off
Mr.
the front light.
Press it on, let it go. Press it again.
Oh, it does
Alright,
that.
so you gone now.
Yes.
So press the back one and you see the side light come on. That's when you put it down on your table.
Yeah.
It's
So
on
look
now,
on the
you know.
side one. Look at it.
But you will see it, you know, 'cause when in a night you place, so that light up once
Yeah.
you press it. No?
Yes, yes.
Now you keep this. So if you have electricity, you can, I don't know, plug it in.
Oh,
Maybe it look like you don't want one base or so. Not sure.
The brick.
Yeah, the same phone charger can use.
No, me no have no phone. Me no have no.
The charger? What happened to the charger?
The charger. I think Junior didn't care if he go charge. And when he out them a drink and a palap, they look like them teeth.
Oh no.
Turn off that one.
So me don't have any charger.
Turn off Miss Topsy.
The back one.
The back one.
Press it again, Miss Topsy. That's
So you want me to put it back in here, son?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because I don't want you to live funny.
Oh boy.
nothing you can live on that you will mash up.
You hold him terribly on time. So me have to go put up it careful.
Yes.
Yes.
You know if you put up here for use.
You're gonna use it.
Oh,
Use it at night time and charge it during the day.
At daytime you put it out there so make it charge up.
Oh.
Sun catch it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So Miss Topsy.
Turn on and put it out there.
No, you don't have to turn it on.
Oh.
Put it out.
Oh.
Miss Topsy, the donor who gave us this in Christiana, she said that her daughter watched the video and listened to a number of things that you talk about, and she went in search of them. So she heard when you talk about the light and she went and bought it.
Yes.
Right? And you remember when we were talking about your hair and you say you used to use a honey shampoo. She got buy the honey shampoo and conditioner for you.
What is this?
Yeah, and your big tea comb. So,
Yes.
yeah?
Thanks. So I'm big up you wash your hair this morning, you know.
I wash it now.
No, not today. Now wash tomorrow.
Okay.
You have to be careful when you use the honey, you know, because the bees will come down, you know.
Very true, me have fire upon me, so then.
That's a good comeback, Miss Topsy.
Yes.
Miss Topsy ready for you this morning.
Yeah.
So Miss Topsy, when you wash your hair, see she send you a hat, so you put the hat on.
Oh, yes. God bless him.
Yes.
Bless her.
Yes.
Yes. A fancy little hat
You
here?
try to see if it fit, you know. Your head so little.
No, my head no little. My head big. My head one wash, master. Oh, yes.
Hey, Miss Topsy.
That looks good on you, Miss Topsy.
Miss
Yes.
Topsy, I say something. Yes.
Just
I
a
say
one.
something.
Yes.
One.
Oh, God. We gone back on foot.
Yes.
Oh, God.
And then we have one donor who sent a donation.
Oh, yes.
All right, so that's it. So we want to just say thank you to all the donors. God bless you richly. We thank you for your continued support. When I was coming up,
When we come on the road, listen for mine. I don't remember why not.
well, I don't remember specifically what it is, but I have one thing I want to say. There's a donor who sent us children's clothing. Okay, so she sent us some children's clothing. I'm supposing newborn is in it, and we have size 14 and we have size 10, 12. Girls and boys. So we want to say thanks to the donor very much. She shipped it to us and we went and picked it up. We are very grateful. And I also want to add to that to say, if you're watching this video and somehow you're in a situation that you need children's clothing, just reach out to us. All right, the number is always on the screen, so you can reach out to us and let us know, and we can make some arrangements for you to get some clothes for the children. All right. All right.
Yes. A little fancy hat.
You want a little fancy hat?
Fancy dancy hat.
Yes.
Yeah, and we have to say thanks also to the donor who we went and met up with in Morant in Clarendon. That's close to Frankfield. We want to thank her very much. She has given us some grocery items so that we can do some food distribution. So we thank you very much. All right. God bless everyone. God bless everyone richly. All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
And look, we're all going to sing a little song, yeah?
Okay.
God, I said Miss Topsy. Really feeds her.
I'll be glad when you're dead, you young idiot. I'll be glad when you're dead, you young idiot. Since I take you from your home, you wouldn't leave Emily alone. I be glad when you're dead, you young idiot. Every time I see you, you young idiot. I am glad when you are dead, you young idiot. Dead young rat.
Long tail rat.
Yes.
Miss Topsy, me just get the INI song.
Yeah, long tail rat.
Yeah, sing about.
Oh, so you'll be glad when the long tail rat is dead.
Yes.
Oh!
I wish I to see him. I want to see long tail rat.
We don't see the young tail yet. When my husband was alive, he used to sing all those little things for me. When he sing, he's looking sad. Yeah, they sing those little fancy songs. But some of them we don't remember.
Oh, we remember the long tail rat one.
You want to sing again?
Oh, yes. Go ahead.
I be glad when you're dead, your young tail yet. Since I take you from your home, you would leave Emily alone. I be glad when you are dead, your young tail rat. Dead young tail rat. Young tail rat never come back again. Yes.
Yes.
Because he won't let Emily alone.
Oh, wow.
Enough little one me know, but
Yes.
we can't remember everything.
Everything.
Yes.
That's a
yes.
good one.
That's
That's
a good one, Miss Topsy.
Yes, I thank you.
Yes.
Welcome.
Yes, and I be glad when you are coming here because I got a lot of joke.
We come
Get some.
Yes.
Yes.
Always happy to come and see you, Miss Topsy.
Yes, and
Yeah.
I did long to see you too.
Yeah, and when you don't see us, don't fret and worry that is not the road or anything.
No.
You know, sometimes we just get a little busy and it takes us a little while to come.
To come, yes.
Yes.
And the journey is long.
Oh, yes. It's a long journey, but it's worth it. Yes.
The journey is long to come here.
Yes.
Yes, man. And I have to give the donors them thanks.
Yes.
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 And the tarpaulin, what you put it, it look like when those people come fix up there, they must go and take it up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they'll take it off.
Pull it up and give it to you.
And work on the place.
Yes, man.
Because that thing up there shake all day, all night.
Because you know, nail down the window.
No.
Have it.
Yes, Mama, and I have to tell the donors, thanks for what they have sent for me. And I thank them to interested in me
Yes.
back here.
Actually, I don't know long tail rat.
Oh, look here. You know something? You know something? I went to Albert Town the second week after the storm blow, and I went to Albert Town looking for some of my people down there, and I don't find them.
Yeah, but the house stop blow off, they gone somewhere else.
So where then them is Topsy?
I don't know if they move or what. I don't know if they move. This is going to make the second time I went there.
What are their names?
I don't know what their name.
What are your friend them?
Yes, but
Oh. Yeah.
I don't know what their name, but he's my good friend them.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
and the church lock up. The church lock up. Only the two chair out by the seat, out by the veranda where you walk going to church.
Yeah.
This I may have to tell you.
Okay,
Only the
okay.
2 chairs there, and the windows closed, and the door closed, and it never closed. And it's the second time I went there now, and nobody, not at that place. The first time the door didn't
Maybe
open.
they're gonna have him in Topsy.
Well, that would be good.
Yes.
Yes, that would be good. Yeah, but the last time, nobody there.
All right, Miss Topsy, we're going to leave now.
Yes, and I thank you for coming.
You are most
And
welcome.
I thank you for carrying this message to my donor
Yeah.
for me.
Okay.
Send you and tell the donor to take care of herself.
Yes, they'll
Yeah.
watch the video and hear you.
Yes, and some people out by the roadside there, out a try. Sometimes they're telling me that they see me, that they see me talking to you, and hear what we're saying.
Yes.
Yes, some people. So when those people who have machine like yours, you have to careful what you say still.
Yes.
For them hear everything what we are talking about.
Yes. All right, guys. So until next time.
Yes.
All right. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye bye.
Yes,
Topsy.
and thank you
Yes.
for everything what you bring here for me. In Jesus' name.
In Jesus' name.
Yes.
Back in long tail rat.
I be glad when you are dead, you young yet. I be glad when you are dead, you young yet. Since I take you from your home, you wouldn't leave me alone. I be glad when you're dead, you young yet. All right, young yet.
That.
Come here, so. All right, blessed love, everyone.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye. And thanks for everything.
Okay.
Yes.